Good evening, everyone. I think we are live on Millennium Divas platform. So I give quick introduction myself. My name is Pinky Patel. I am a founder of Pinks Event. I am expertise into specialized, conceptualized to execution in all the events. We are coming with a new concept, the 3R of holistic growth, unleash your inner potential. So this concept brings lots of thoughts behind that. तो उसको कैसे हम लोग वो थॉट्स को कैसे हमने लाइन अप किया एंड उसको कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करना है. सो वी हैव अ फोर एक्सपर्टीज विथ अस. मिस रिद्धि दोशी पटेल, शी इज अ फाउंडर ऑफ राइम्स एकेडमी. She is a mental health practitioner with of experience 15 years in field of psychology. We have a Dr. Bhavi Modi, founder of Riddhi Holistic Healthcare. She is a health evangelist of homeopathic specializations, brings 25 years of experience. We have a Mamta Bhatt. Uh, we have a Mamta Bhatt from Academy of Mamta Bhatt makeup artist. She is a CDSCO certified makeup and hair artist and experience of 19 years. We have a Bhavesh Kothari, co-founder and director of Millennium Divas Fund. He is a experience of 22 years. He has been certified. um Sorry, he has been credited to be a pioneer in the startup mentoring domain and has mentored almost 5 to 6 dozen startups. He is building for dedicated VC fund called Millennium Divas Fund, focused on investment in early stage woman lead and co-founded woman startup. So, uh, what is objective behind this program and who can attend this program and how benefit for the companies and all the people. So we would like to start with Mr. Bhavesh Kothari. What is this all about, the 3R of holistic growth?
Wonderful. First of all, a very, very warm good evening and a wonderful Monday evening, I should say. Thank you so much, Pinkiji, for this wonderful introduction. And we are delighted to, host this program on behalf of all of us. And the objective of this program is to talk about what are the key areas that we have defined in the employee effectiveness and engagement initiatives. And we call this as an E-Cube program, which is providing a more holistic growth based pragmatic approach on the 3R principles, for the overall growth of your employees. Now, this area covers emotional well-being, physical well-being, and social well-being, which actually helps them to have a right balance and a positive outlook at home and work as well. Now, what is this 3R, right? So this 3R is redefining, realigning, and redesigning your life. This is a more holistic growth approach to unleash your inner potential, which helps you deal with diverse challenges. It can be challenges at home, it can be challenges at workspaces, it can be challenges in your own personal life or business growth inhibitors as well. So this is a bit about what you are going to learn. And this program, this is a workshop very, very curated and designed with a combined experience of more than 90 plus years, with all the four experts coming together on this, right? And this program talks about how you as an individual can lead your organizations, how you as an HR professional can also inculcate those learnings and insights and experiences in building a more holistic organization which contributes largely in the growth and overall well-being of an organization. So that's something I wanted to ensure that we could highlight this in this. It's a one-day program which is happening on the 1st of May. We are launching this program with a pilot batch of around 25-30 people, and it's a complimentary program. So We would love to have all you HR professionals, learning and development professionals, individuals to join in and register for this program.
Wonderful. Great. Dr. Bhavi, can you tell us the story behind the program and how and why was it conceived?
Sure. So, first of all, a good evening and thank you for the introduction, Pinky. And so, just to answer the question that you asked me, it's like, all of us know, the people who know us know that we are very close knit. So, we are all friends who've come together on to build a program like this. So, it's said that, coming together is just a beginning. Keeping together is progress and working together is success. So, when we came together, we all thought, all the five of us thought that let's progress towards making success story. And that's how on one day when we met at lunch, this entire program was ideated. And after the program was ideated, there was a lot of brainstorming, a lot of thinking that went into curating the entire program and bringing out the best in each one of us and what each one of us could offer in our own speciality, in our own way. So it's like a platter that is ready for you and you just have to come and pick it up. That's all that you guys have to do. So all my HR friends, I invite you to actually register and come and have a look at the sneak peek of the program that's going to happen on the 1st of May, and a detailed program can happen at your workplace whenever you wish and whenever you invite all of us. And the torch bearer is going to be Pinky of Pink Events, who's going to be doing all the to and fro for us, and the experts that we have on our panel will come and provide their expertise to the best. So you have best of everything. Just grab it now.
Thank you, Bhavi, and wonderful. I still remember we met in lunch and we discussed about this program. Yeah, Miss Mamta Bhatt, just question to you. What are the different components of the program?
So, hello and good evening, everyone. Welcome to the three holistic program, which we have specially designed for all our HR friends. So, thank you, Pinky, for the lovely introduction. I am a CDESCO certified makeup artist, and here we all are experts from our own field. Okay, so there is a mental health, there is a when we talk about a holistic approach, so it has to be, everything has to be inculcated in one program. So that is what we have come up with. So there is a mental health, there is a physical health, there is a physical well-being. How you look, how you feel is also important. With at the same time, the where where the money comes in and where it goes is also very important. So each and every person belongs to the different fields are all together, and we have come up with such a beautiful program. Trust me, guys, go for it. We are going we are coming up on this program on 1st of May. So grab this opportunity. Don't miss on it. Let's hope to see each and everyone in this program for sure.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Bhavesh, this question to you. Why should any company invest in this particular program? Matlab, what is, what they will get benefit out of that?
Okay, thank you so much. Let me give you a very quick synopsis of, first of all, what this program is going to do. Okay, what are we going to cover here? So, for example, as Dr. Bhavi and Mamta said, right, this is not just about how do you look at your mental health, how do you communicate, how do you look good, your eating habits, right? This all affects a lot when it comes to your overall health, be it physical, mental, emotional as well, right? Now, apart from that, it also is very important in terms of how do you actually communicate your business or your roles or whatever role and responsibility that you are managing within your organization, right? So that is where it also helps you to understand the communication aspect. Now, when I say communication, it is not just verbal or non-verbal, right? It is all about how are you presenting yourself, because you yourself are going to be a brand custodian of your organization, your business, or your own self as well, right? So here some of the learnings that we are going to talk about is how do you acquire essential insights into dealing effectively with self and others, right? So that's a very, very important aspect, especially when you are in the virtual space, right? When you're in the physical space, when you're meeting each other, right? A lot of times body language plays a very crucial role, but also in the way of how you communicate, your eyesight, so on and so forth, right? The challenge is going to be where you are going to be most of the time being virtual, right? How do you actually communicate? Okay. How do you build interpersonal working relationships? That's also a very important aspect, right? Developing a very healthier lifestyle to be effective in personal and professional spaces. That's one of the key areas that you need to keep in mind also. Importance of skin care, hair care to natural means, right? With a lot of people, a lot of organizations, a lot of individuals focusing on organic way of things, right? So that's what is very important. Most important aspect is, how do you develop that self confidence and build a more powerful outlook? This helps you in terms of how do you interact and engage with people? How do you effectively network? The art of storytelling, one of the most important aspect. And when I come from sales, right, I always say, don't sell, tell your customers, tell your partners, tell your clients, what is it that you bring as a value to your customers, to your clients, to your stakeholders, right? So these are some of the most important aspect that we are going to cover in this entire 2.5, 3 hours of workshop that we are doing. Most important, okay, and let me take another 30 seconds. Most important is there is going to be a practical implementation at the end of each session, which will help you to gain more value on how the entire thing works, right? So it's not just going to be a 2 hour, 3 hour session where we are going to speak about it and then okay, everything is hunky dory and then you go back, right? The most important aspect is how are you going to be practically implementing all those learnings that the entire four of us are going to be imparting and are going to handhold you at a lot of areas where you are going to be facing a lot of challenge, for example. So this is how we are going to deliver this entire program. And as Dr. Bobby said, right, it is not just going to be an open program. We would love you as HR professionals invite us to do an in-house dedicated program, which we can customize it also, right? So it's customizable because it is also on your physical, emotional, and mental well-being, right? So it also becomes more impactful. So do join in on the 1st of May. The registration link is just mentioned here. The 3 hours of holistic growth, or reach out to all of us, reach out to Pinky ma'am. She's going to be able to also help you understand if you would want to implement within your organization, how can you actually do a more customized, focused workshop for a team of 25, 30 people. And we'd be happy to, work more closely with you guys on this.
Great. Mr. Bhavi, how are you different from the others offering employee wellness services?
Sure. Thank you, Pinky, for asking this question, actually. Because, just like Mr. Bhavesh just said, that don't sell, tell. So that's what is going to exactly make us different, because we are a team of professionals, a strong team of professionals, I would say, with a rich experience. He's already mentioned we have more than 90 years of collective experience in our own fields. Each one is an influencer in his own or her own field. So, that brings a lot of value addition. You are not getting people who are very new in the field. You are getting someone who is a seasoned batsman into the field, तो हम टेस्ट मैच खेलने वाले खिलाड़ी है, हम 2020 खेल के नहीं निकल जाएंगे. So the collective experience that we get, the influence that we have, and the comprehensive program that we have curated is something that is very different from all other programs that are available, or whatever you may call it, And another thing is, the holistic approach that we are talking about time and again. I would like to add here that when we talk of holistic, it's not just about, your mental health or your physical health or your emotional health. It's also about your spiritual health, how you connect with everybody, so your social environment and your financial growth. Okay, so when you get us on board, we ensure that your financial health also improves, because when your employees productivity improves, the absenteeism decreases, the number of hours that he puts in productively are going to be more, you are going to have a much better ROI than what you are getting right now. That's ensured. और अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो आपके पैसे वापस, ये हमारा खुला दावा है आपको, that we return all the money that we take from you if you are not satisfied with the program that we are curating. And as Mr. Bhavesh rightly said, it's customizable and a curated one. So you tell us what you want and we exactly give you what you desire for your employees, because not everyone will want all aspects. So we are very flexible in curating the entire program the way you want it. You ask and we give, and that's how we are different. That it's not कि हमने एक template बना लिया और उसमें आपको डाल दिया. No, we will customize the program for you, so the template will be yours and the program will be ours. So that's how we are going to be very, very different from all the other programs that are available till now.
Okay, great. Miss Mamta, how will this benefit for the companies?
Thank you, Pinky, for asking this question. Yes, definitely. When your mental health, your physical health, your everything is in place, of course, it is going to be beneficial for your employees. Empower your employees with the latest and best practical and pragmatic holistic wellness and personal growth programs for day-to-day mindfulness and effectiveness. Enhance employees' morale, happiness, and well-being both at home and the workplace. Yes, it has to be, everywhere. It has to be equal everywhere. Reduce absenteeism, as Dr. Bhavi mentioned. It reduces the employee turnover, create a more effective human talent pool, and enhance productivity. All this definitely creates a more positive impact on the organization efficiency, productivity, and happiness quotient for sure.
Okay, so हम बोल सकते हैं कि इस प्रोग्राम को मतलब आप मेंटली फिजिकली and very confident. You can increase your sales. मतलब you can empower your team in sales team, in buy team, in every मतलब in your. So who I just actually Mr. Bhavesh Kothari can attend this program. Who will get benefit? Who can attend this program?
Yeah, so I think what the whole again what the whole objective is not to just provide just learnings, right? I think implementation of learnings is very, very important, and be it this program or be it any program for that matter, be it any learnings that you have, right? The whole idea is how do you implement, and I think all the four of us have also been mentors in each other's field and domain, and this is where it is very, very this is impactful, if I have to use this word, right? Because what will happen is in today's VUCA world, as it is called as, right, which has a lot of volatility, uncertainty, ambiguity that is prevailing. How do we, as organizations, make sure that we create a more resilient and a more pragmatic approach to people management, right? Human resource management is a very, very critical aspect, right? Empathy, is the need of the hour today. Not only today, if you look at moving forward from here, right? A lot of distress is now visible, especially because of this pandemic and the second wave. Right now, what you could do as an individual, how do you actually build a very strong mindset yourself in the first place, because you are the torchbearer for the organization when it comes to human resource management, or people management for that matter. Now, I was reading this particular classical uh, article a couple of days where it spoke about you're no longer an organization which needs managers, but you're no longer also an organization which needs leadership, right? You need an organization which can actually inculcate not only just leadership but also the ownership aspect of your own roles and responsibilities, as well as the roles and responsibilities of all your individual employees as well, right? So the time has changed from just being creating leadership qualities. The time also has come moving beyond and say how can you create ownership of each individual, because people management has become very, very challenging, especially from a virtual space, right? So how do you actually build that? And I think this is where the team came together and said, hey, look, we just don't want to create a program which just talks about leadership, which just talks about people management, which talks about grooming and etiquette. I think those are there, right? Can we create a more robust structure which actually gives you the power of empowering others, right? So normally I don't use this word empower. We all are empowered in our own senses, right? But yeah, we do still need guidance, and I think this is what this program will do. This is what this program will inculcate a sense of ownership. How do you guide your teams, your organization to the path of growth and well-being? I think well-being होगा तो growth होगा, prosperity होगी, सब कुछ होगा, right? And well-being starts from physical, emotional, mental, you call it, and we have some serious experts in all these domains, and this is where it creates a very different approach. And this is a sneak peek that we are doing on the 1st of May. Uh, the program is very extensive. In fact, what we are going to do is we are going to do a showdown of what we are bringing on board, and how it will add value. And that's why that's where Pinky and Dr. Bobby said, and Mamta said that look, a more customized approach is obviously the need for any organization as well. So that's my submission on this.
Okay. So thank you, Bhavesh, Mr. Bhavesh Kothari. Thank you, Dr. Bhavi and Mamta. So I would like to invite all my HR friends. It's a amazing concept. We invite all HR friends because HR plays a very pivotal role for the organization as the impart training, recruitment, and many roles for the benefits of the employees. So they definitely understand, how important for mental, matlab holistic wellness. So thank you so much. And this program on 1st of May, we just put the registration link on this chat. Please register individual HRs, all uh, people. And thank you so much, everyone.